This movie will show you how to install and license MakeCap Beta. I've run the MakeGood Setup exe. This installs all MakeGood products, including MakeCap. I'll say Next, accept the licensing agreement, and I'll install it to the default directory, which is Program Files x86 BorntoRoute. For the beta, the demo license is a node license, so we don't need a license server, so I'll select application only rather than application and license server or license server only. I'll go ahead and install to the default directory. Check the desktop icon and quick launch icon and install. For this demo, I will uncheck View Quick Start and just go ahead and finish. In Windows Explorer, I can see under Program Files x86, a BorntoRoute subdirectory has been created. Under that is a MakeGood_v1 subdirectory, and I'm going to locate my demo license in this directory. And that's all I need to do in order to install the MakeCap beta. MakeCap is going to open within Capture, so I will open Capture. And we can see that we have a new menu added called SideCAR. I'll open SideCAR and select Launch MakeCap Power. The constraint window opens, ready to work. Off to the side we can see SideCAR. It's unpinned. We can pin it to the side so that it opens on a mouse click and retracts. And I'll unpin it. And at the bottom of the screen we can see we have, in the taskbar, we have Capture and the MakeCap constraint window. So that means I can toggle between the two. They can both be open at the same time on the same monitor or on different monitors. We would recommend you keep them open at the same time and not hide the viewer. What hide the viewer does is that it turns off that window completely and it's left in SideCAR and can be reopened by hitting Constraints. We'd also recommend you pin SideCAR. And now we can toggle between Capture and the constraint window either on the same screen, or we can have them both open simultaneously on two monitor systems. We recommend you set several preferences for the purpose of starting to use the MakeCap beta. Under Set Preferences, I'll open up that screen. Choose a set of units that you prefer to use. I have mils set for mine. I would uncheck Enable Copy from Main Grid. That gives you a choice of opening up cells on the main grid or copying from them, and rather than have to make that choice each time, initially you probably want to turn Copy off. We also have bidirectional cross-probing between SideCAR and Capture. I would keep Capture to SideCAR on so that as you select in the Capture schematic, it will select in SideCAR. But initially I would turn SideCAR to Capture off. Say OK. You'll see that those same options are here, and you can hover over them to see. If you prefer to turn off hover pop-ups, you can turn those off here and turn those on as well. I'll hide the constraint window viewer. Go to SideCAR, I'll pin it. And I can open many of these functions directly from SideCAR if I prefer to use SideCAR, but for this demo, you can do everything from the constraint window. So again, I'll open the constraint window, pin SideCAR, Capture's open, and I can toggle between them, or again on a dual monitor system, they're both live and active at the same time. Thanks very much. We hope you enjoy using MakeCap.